Hi guys, with another video. This is the 2.5 Craftsman Wet Dry, and we're gonna take it out all the screw. Let's see what is inside. Yeah, let's go ahead and yeah, take it out the screw, and yeah, it's gonna take little time, but yeah, we will know what is inside. There you are, one screw is gone. Hold on, let me take a pause, and then I'll take all the screws out, and then I can record it. Yeah, there was a two screw here. I took it out and I turned it, and there's so much screws here. Here, maybe 6, 7 of there's a screw, and then yeah. Let me take it out them too, and then I'll be back. So yes, I took the 3 screws out, and after that, as you see now, you're gonna see, of course, and when I pull it, it's gonna come out. It came. This one part is gone. Let's throw it, and other screw came up. Yeah, let's see, what is that, what I can do, what else? Oh, here, oh, another screws are here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 screws are here. Yeah, oh, all about screws. Let's take it out. Yeah, one here, and other one here. Let me pause again. I don't want to waste your time. Hold on a minute. Okay. I took this 2 screws from here and 6 screws from all around here. And let's pull this. First, it's okay. It came this. As you see, this is the inside. I don't know, there is a plastic right there. Of course I cannot take that. There is no screw in anywhere. So this is it. Let's throw this. Right there, I think this is the motor. Let's see what we can do. Okay, this came up. It was holding the 2 screws. Now this is the switch. As you see, this is the switch. All right, then I can pull those. Okay. All right. Okay. Right here. That's inside the motor. This is the motor that it makes work. So how we can take it out? Is there an easy way to take it out from inside? There's a, let's see. I don't know. We can try. Here. And some here. Let me see. Oh, I think this is also gonna take time to take it out. It is not, and yeah, overall, this is it. This is the motor that it runs everything. That's it. Yeah. All right, guys. Let me see. Thank you for watching. This is the Craftsman Wet Dry 6 gallons. So we saw this. What is the inside? All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.